Good day, people! Welcome to Bitok Bitok University! Sa tanang lang mga subscribe, people!
And next stop, Mabit na. Pag-asawa na, pasagdanan na.
Bakit ka ba? Murag, it's been a long time nga wala na akong nakaingani nga setup sa balay, no? Kaya murag karon ako nakasayo. And since nag-200 naman ang akong vlog, sa ako ningotrohon, asa akong mga kids. I want Rusty. Hi. River. Hi. And Ella. Hi. Yes, say hi to the vlog. Hi. We're back. Okay, that's it. So ang atong buhatong karon, grabe ko kalipay. Kaya na po ko'y bagong gadget nga niabot. Okay, first, lagay mo ko tanong siya gamit na ako karon. Okay, first, akong gamit pang editing, isang MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro mo niya akong pang editing. Okay. Tapos ako pinakauna nga DSLR kani 50 Nikon nga 50mm Nikon nga sa kalini siya nga kuan.
Nikon in the nursery.
What?
Nikon in the nursery.
D5100 nga Nikon.
Okay.
Okay. Dayon, of course, ang akong drone. Alright, Mavic Pro. Then, pangdugang sa monitor na ako'y iPad.
We want it.
Okay.
Somehow.
Monitor sa kuan. Then ako'y kani
for the camera.
pero actually baratohon ni siya.
So
Baratohon dali ra maputol. Sorry. Dali ra maputol ana. And of course, ang pinakabiliban ako sa tanan, nabasa na mga ato na ako sa mga bukid. Ato na ako mga tanan mga saka. Of course, ang pinaka the best,
Gopro. RIP.
ang akong GoPro nga Hero 4. Hero 4. So dugay na kaya ko ning ginagamit, the best kayo, gwapo ang audio, kaya lang wala ni siya monitor sa likod. Tapos kailangan na casing kay kung mabasa. Tapos kaning casing pag yun, kung nasa casing medyo di madunggan ang iyang tingog, so muna yung gamit. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
The newest member.
the newest member of the Bitok Bitok University Gadgets. Mami, please. Sexy si Manny man di siya gusto mo pa. Ladies and gentlemen, the unboxing. Tantanan! Kung sa online ka,
Random.
kung sa online ka magpalit,
Kuya, your
mas barato
arms.
siya, pero sa mall mag
Your arms there.
colors. Okay. So first, kay kaganina, dugay ra gina ko ni pangandoy. This one. My God. Kani siya tag 300 buy one take one. Ang problema lang dali ra maputol. So kani siya mugin ni siyang original, ang Joby Gorilla Pod.
Let's open it.
Finally! I can't afford this.
What, you can or you can't?
I can't afford this. Wait. No.
Don't tell the customer.
Someone sponsored this one. So
Instructions.
Joby.
Next part.
What?
What's
Let me
this?
check
This.
this.
The first part? Maybe. And then the body.
Oh my God. So layo ra gid ang original kay ganang mura siya gahion gid siya. Alright. Oh my God.
Or else it might break.
So that's so gahi gid siya, no? Perfect. Oh my God. So there.
Connected.
Then like this.
You slide it in. Just slide. Wow!
And nice kay siya kay Andre, ma-adjust siya. Katong kanila wala man diretso ra man na peke man gani god. Ana ra.
Too small.
Wala na. Di na ka-split kani siya. So na siya something so I can move it now. I can move it now.
You can make it bend.
And bend something.
It's like the real camera. Like how they like how they do in the commercial.
So pag mag-vlog ko, so lig-on na siya. So I could do like that. Yes! Oh my God!
It's actually
Daddy, you're
So goodbye to this.
Goodbye.
RIP. Bye. You're dead. So there. Oh my God, so nice, Joby.
I kiss it, Daddy.
Joby.
I closed it.
Nice for vlogging. Yo, what's up, people? Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
So, what's in here? Is there any more?
No. Wait. You guys are so. Come on. Wait. Wait.
one and only.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, Hero 7.
And here are the batteries.
So these are the additional accessories. So ang micro SD.
For the laptop.
Dayon of course, nasa gamay niya nga, stand. Shorty, so malamang mubura gini siya.
Oh, it's ready for video and standing.
And this one is the battery. Okay. So let's open first here the shorty.
That one's like perfect for like pictures, like vloggy.
See, you can change it into a pole or a stand.
A selfie stick. A selfie stick.
You can change it to a selfie stick. It's pieces.
So shorty, so this is short. So this shorty man. Then there.
So many accessories.
Is it?
Ew, like.
Grabe ka bag. Karton rin ka baga?
So what's that it?
That is shorty.
Hi, shorty.
Hi, shorty.
Oh,
Oh, that's the stand.
it looks like a squid, you know, when they open. Then they come out.
Oh, there.
No, it looks like a spider. That's how high.
What
That's how high
ribbon?
it goes.
That's it. The stand more like that. Okay.
The one.
That's perfect.
And then this.
This one.
Battery, this one.
Daddy, this one. Put
No, we'll
it
save
here.
this for last.
And of course, the Hero 7.
Let me
Oh
open
my
it.
God.
Where's the opening?
Saan mo siya? Bite.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, it's coming out.
Oh my God.
It's gone. Oh.
Goodbye.
Oh, I thought it's a glass.
So actually, mura ni siya ang kuwanan ni.
Oh, wait, look at here.
So nasa yung box.
No,
GoPro. GoPro. Dayon, the sticker.
I want to put the sticker.
No, my laptop. And I put the, of
Oh.
course, the manual. Manual.
Let me see.
Then, naman din yung mga kwanta lang sa iyang burag.
Oh, look at this. It's like a
So,
reading book.
The mount. Kung saan may butang ako na sa car.
Daddy's look like in a...
Para sa charger, lahi na siya. Alo, burag siya. Ang iyang cable, burag pareha na sa Mac, no?
Where's the
Really?
paper? You cover your face. So, yeah.
Na, 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 na,
Very good.
Oh,
The battery.
ball.
The battery, your face. Battery there.
Ella, no.
Ella, what the?
Cover
Battery.
Your face. Cover your face with the battery. And the one
Another mount.
oh for something.
Yeah, put it in there.
And the one oh no, there's no more. Okay.
So, ito na lang, pinaka the best yun is ang, to box na to siya. So, may
And
yan
the one
design.
the
Oh, here's the switching. So,
the one at least
Daddy, this
Careful, you might break it.
Ano. There, detached from the box.
Daddy, here's the for
And
the
there.
helmet.
clean this up first.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at it here.
Wait, try to record. Maybe it's good.
So, so nasa sa burag box.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Yeah, pero,
See, Daddy,
ano na siya. So, tungod kay.
Wait, you can charge here, Charge.
So, get this cellophane here at the back. I say cellophane.
No, it's not something.
Wait a minute.
Maybe it's.
Oh,
yeah,
there.
it is.
There.
There it
this is sticker. Oh, yes.
A sticker.
A sticker. Give me, I want a sticker. I want a sticker.
sa Hero 4. Lahi na siya.
Wait, I gotta wash.
There, that's it. Then, boom.
Um,
And then, boom.
Singot na ko.
Ay, ikot na.
Then, power on.
Hindi, ano kanila?
Oh, yes! That's it! Oh my God. I can see my face.
Wait, what? Wait, I can see your face!
Sa po touchscreen, pagid siya touchscreen.
Maganda. Oh, yeah! Kuya, no pa! I'm just gonna off the volume.
Mahal na yun.
So that's it, Hero 4 and Hero 7. There. Sa atong panahon ko kinsabay mas nindot ani atong comparison dito tata. Okay? That's it, guys. Thank you very much sa nag-sponsor ani. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I got this. Yahoo! That's it ang unboxing. Ako na ni sa testingan sa akong mga vlog. Bye!